When it comes to making cookies, rolling the dough by hand into uniform shapes can be a real hassle. Instead, reach for a simple kitchen gadget that will give you the edge you need. A cookie scoop is a no-fuss way to guarantee uniform cookies. You'll have clean hands and perfectly portioned cookies each and every time. Cookie scoops, also called dishers, can come in a variety of sizes. The standard medium scoop is about 1.5 tablespoons of dough and yields about 3-inch baked cookies. Smaller scoops can be used for more bite-sized treats. You can opt for a larger scoop if you have a dough with a lot of mix-ins or want to make a thicker, larger cookie. Keep an eye on your oven while your cookies are baking. Different scoop sizes are going to alter the baking time. For the best cookies every time, here are some additional suggestions. Chill your dough before baking. This will help your cookies bake more consistently and help prevent spreading. Parchment paper or silicone baking mats help cookies release easily after baking. Use an oven thermometer for accurate temperature readings. From beginning bakers to home chefs, a cookie scoop is a kitchen favorite. A great recipe is only half the battle to fantastic cookies.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.